Did you know that in 2025, you don't have to have a special skill or have to be so professional in certain area for you to make money online? There are certain things, small things you can actually do to make money online, and sending email, responding to emails is one of them. Which is why in this video, I'm going to be revealing to you three legitimate companies currently hiring real people to work as email assistants, email specialists, email operators. These are remote jobs you can do from the comfort of your home without compromising your daily commitments. So if you're willing and ready to make extra income online, in addition to what you have already, ensure you watch this video to the end, because the third company I'll be revealing to you is my favorite because it's very simple. You don't need experience, you don't need a degree, and there's no pressure at all. You are welcome to this channel if you're seeing it for the first time. My name is Stacy, and on this channel, I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online platforms. So if you love this type of content, all you need to do is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. If you're good with content writing, like you can write on anything at all, be it social media posts like Instagram posts, Facebook posts, TikTok posts, you can write an article, you can write a story, or you can write on anything at all, then this first platform is for you. First Broker is a company that connects freelancers to opportunities. So if you're a content writer, there is an opportunity for you on Test Broker. Test Broker is a remote company that hire remote workers to work for them. So you can work as an email operator, you can write articles for companies, you can manage their inboxes by responding to emails and sending out emails. So if you're good with content writing, this platform is a good opportunity to grab, and you can earn up to $20 per hour working on this platform. It's a very flexible platform, meaning that you can choose your schedule and your time frame. You can decide number of hours you want to work in a day. You can choose to be a full-time worker here or a part-time, depending on what you want. So if you already have a job, or you have a business you're handling, or you are a stay-at-home mom and you don't want to compromise any of your daily commitments, this platform is also good for you because you can actually choose your time frame, you can choose your schedule, the convenient time for you to work on. So to get started, all you need to do is head over to testbroker.com. So when you can do this using your phone, if you don't have a laptop, you can go to your phone browser and type testbroker.com. It will bring it to a platform like an interface like this. So this is what it looks like. You can see Test Broker career opportunity. We are looking for you. So this is where you need to apply if you want to work on this platform. Like I said, it is a remote job. It doesn't matter wherever you are, any part of the world where you are based, you can work on this platform. So when you scroll down, you can read the job requirements and the job summary and everything that is required to work on this platform. And they have different positions available. You can scroll down and see any position that is something you can work. You can also be a freelancer editor. A lot of job opportunities here. You can be an author, freelancer writer. A lot of opportunity. Just scroll down and see anyone you can comfortably do. And the good part of this platform is that even if you do not have experience, you're not good at it yet, they have another platform where you can apply as an author. You show your writing skill on this platform. So based on your writing sample, their editor will give you an initial author rating. So they give you this regular feedback so that you improve on your quality level. So you can actually learn on the job on this platform. That's good part of it. So if you do not have experience or you're into content writing, but you don't think you're perfect or you're good, you can come up here and register as a free author on their free author registration. Complete all the requirements, fill all the forms, and you start sending in your writing samples. So they will make corrections. From there, you get better before you are welcome on board. This is a good way to earn passive income online as a content writer. And the good part of it is that you are working at your own convenience, at your own pace. There's no pressure at all. And you'll be making passive income while you are also retaining your current job or your current business. So if you're interested to work on Test Broker platform, you scroll down and read all that is required on this platform. The second platform will be ClickUp. ClickUp is a company that handles software issues of other companies. So they hire remote workers who can do software related jobs. They offer different values to their workers. They help you improve your work life. They also offer flexibility of time. You can work from home and also choose to work as a part-time or as a full-time. You can decide number of hours in a day you want to work and so on. This platform is a platform for those who are willing to work. This is a real company hiring real people. There are different positions you can apply, ranging from lower level to higher level. So to get started, all you need to do is to head over to clickup.com, go to their career page. You can do this using your phone. You can do this using your laptop. If you're using your phone, you go to your phone browser and type clickup.com/career, and it will bring you to a platform like this. So this is their website. It will bring you to a platform like this. You can see, change your life with ClickUp, a great workplace combining exceptional people with challenging problems. So this is a real company hiring real people. I love what they said here. We are value-driven company and hire based on ambition, merits, and willingness to do what it takes to succeed. We don't care where you are from, what you look like, or who you are in a relationship with. We hire the best people for the job and create an environment that supports employees on their journey to do the most exciting work of their life. So this is a real company hiring real people. All you need to do is to choose a position you can fit in that is suitable for you. They have different positions. They have digital adoption specialist, implementer specialist, professional services, a lot of positions here. For you to look for a position that is very suitable, that you can do comfortably, and once you see anyone, you click on it. And there are different locations for this position. They have in United States, they have in Canada, they have in UK, they have in some African countries, they have in Poland, they have in Ireland, Philippines, different part of the world you can actually apply from. So if this is something you are willing to try, you can go ahead and read everything that is required here. A lot of positions. So anyone that you feel you can do comfortably, you are good with, you can just apply. They have both in sales, they have in products, they have in marketing, they have in support. So you can be an email assistant specialist handling their sales, email marketing. So you can actually apply on any of these jobs that you so wish. All right, so this is a real remote company hiring remote workers to work for them, and it is a very legitimate company. So if this number one did not work for you, you try number two, or maybe the last one will be a good platform for you. So the third platform is called Automatic. Automatic is a remote company with open remote position for those looking to work from home. This company is focused on building the internet operating system of other companies. So they are hiring remote workers who can work from home, and they offer flexibility of time. That means you can work as a full-time or as a part-time. To get started, all you need to do is to head over to their website. go to automatic.com to get started. You will see an interface like this. One thing I like about this company is that when you come to their website, you will read everything about them. Like there's nothing hidden. Like what they said here, in a world of tech company fighting for growth at any cost, imagine one that gives away its most successful product for free and has been doing it for 20 years. That means this company has been in existence for 20 years and they've been hiring remote workers all over the world. They say, welcome to Automatic. We are the people behind WordPress.com, WooCommerce, and so many other platforms mentioned here. So this is a very legitimate company where you can apply as a remote worker and you get hired. You can just scroll down and read all of these informations here. Then you can, when you're done reading them, you can read about them, and also when you're done reading about them, you can now go to work with us and click on career. So you see what is written here, work with us from wherever you are, wherever you like. So wherever you are, you can work from wherever you are. It doesn't matter the location. It can be in Africa, can be in Europe, can be in North America, can be in America. Wherever you are in the world, you can work on this platform. And it offers flexibility of time. You can choose to work as a part-time or as a full-time on this platform and choose the number of hours you want to work in a day. So depending on the number of hours you work in a day, that determines how much you can earn on this platform. And yes, on this platform, there are process of hiring. First of all, you need to apply. When you submit a formal application for any current job opening you see here, then they carry out an interview via Zoom meeting. Through Zoom, they have a Zoom interview. Like I said, this is a real job offer for real people. So you can check out the positions available and you apply. And yes, they will interview you. And then see what is written here. Our job involves a paid trial in the application process, which is a short project or set of tasks that will be assessed by our hiring team. You will have the chance to work on something that is closely aligned with the role you are interviewing for and tackle a specified real problem. So while they are interviewing you, they will pay you. While they are carrying out a practical interview, they will give you a task to carry out. While you're doing that, you will get paid while you are being interviewed or being tried to know if you're fit for the job. So these are the process of hiring. So once you read up all of these things and you are okay with it, you can just apply. Application is free of charge. You're not paying anything to apply. And once you are hired, you start working and start earning money online. So I've shared like 3 platforms hiring remote workers to work from home globally. So these companies are legit and they are hiring real people. You can check them out and choose anyone that is most suitable for you. All right, that will be all for this video. Let me know in the comment section which of these platforms you are going to be trying, or if you have tried any of these platforms. All right, till I see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching.